everyone, this is Ainish, and I know it's been a very long time. I have not been uploading any videos, but this is my comeback video because there is this one particular artist who has captured my heart and everyone's heart in the last couple of months, and that's the one and only Olivia Dean, and that's the artist and her music video that I want to talk about in this episode of In My Opinion with Ainish. So this lady is everywhere on Spotify, she's on Apple Music, she's on Reels, TikToks, even on our radio because her music is so emotionally consuming that nobody can stop streaming her. And also congratulations to her because she has won her first ever Grammy Award this year in the new artist category. And I know there were a lot of competitions, but to be honest, a lot of people predicted that she is going to take the award home, and that's what happened. Now in this episode, I want to talk about her music video. That's So Easy, #to fall in love. And I really love the whole vibe of the song. It is something that we have not seen in recent times, which is what I want to talk in this episode. So let's go. Okay, to start off with, this song is a single from her second album, which is called as The Art of Loving, and it was released somewhere around September 2025. And the music video starts with Olivia in an office space. And obviously, she's trying to play Cupid. Now, I've been there. I've been doing this job since a very long time. But I would highly recommend for you to not fall in love with your co-workers, especially if you are taking them to a concert. You know where this is going. Alright, so next we have Olivia then who tries to set up a couple near a staircase, and then we see her waltzing into the streets somewhere maybe around New York, LA, Chicago, you don't know. But the whole vibe of this music video is giving American love stories, okay? She also lands up opening the door for a lesbian couple who is entering a cab. Then we see her moving into a fragrance store, and then she moves into a library. And one subtle integration that they've not been talking about is the fact that Olivia is the brand ambassador for this brand, which is Burberry. So they've subtly tried to even advertise into this music video. We also see Olivia who is trying to dance towards the end of the music video, and there are a lot of couples around her. I really love the whole concept of this music video because of the outfit she's wearing. She's wearing a black and white dress. And you know, in other music videos where, you know, the concept is all about love, you will see the female lead wearing maybe a red dress. But right here, she's wearing a black and white dress, signifying the fact that maybe she is not wanting to fall in love. She's okay with observing all the people around her who are falling in love. Alright, so in one particular part of the music video, we have her entering a library, and there is an integration of her own album that is The Art of Loving. There's a book about it, and then a gay couple obviously falls in love. Also towards the end, like I said, we see her dancing. Okay, so the last part of the music video is my absolute favorite because usually in music videos which features the female lead, we will always have her being a damsel in distress. But then in this particular music video, we don't have anybody, especially a man who comes and saves Olivia. She is just dancing. She loves being herself, even though, like I said, she's been surrounded by couples. And then we just see her fading into the dark. I feel this music video appeals to everyone who is dating but not dating, who is alone but not really lonely, and also to anyone who is open to the concept of love. And if I have to give a taste profile to this particular music video, I think it's a buttery soft croissant because it has so many layers, but it is so emotionally fulfilling that you will keep wanting for more. So if you happen to love this particular music video, I have some other songs that you need to definitely check out by Olivia. Number 1 is going to be Nice to Each Other. Number 2 is going to be Lady Lady, and number 3 is going to be Man I Need. Also, I'm not the only one who is obsessed with this music video, right? Because obviously Olivia has a lot of fans. So I'm going to read out a couple of comments from the music video out for you. Okay, so the first comment reads that this is the type of music that makes you miss the relationship you never had. The second one reads, nobody does jazzy bossa nova music better than Olivia Dean. And the last comment is, her voice really is like a warm hug and a nice cold breeze at the time. Okay, since I also mentioned that Olivia has won her first ever Grammy, I want to focus on the part of her speech that she gave as an acceptance to the award. And she has claimed in front of a million people that she is a product of migrants, which I absolutely love. A lot of artists did speak up at the Grammys, and this is what you do when you have a platform which appeals to a lot of people. So apart from being a really great artist, I also think that she is a very great human. So this was the breakdown of the entire episode of In My Opinion with Aynish, where I've spoken explicitly about That's So Easy to Fall in Love by Olivia Dean. If you loved this breakdown about this entire music video, let me know in the comment section which other music videos that I need to break down in the future episodes. Like I said, I'm obviously doing Harry Styles and Louis Tomlinson because they've released new music. We also have Bruno Mars, who is going to release an whole album. So if you want me to break it down for you, I will do just that. This is Aynish, only on In My Opinion, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
94.3 Radio 1.